Alright, today I'm going to cut a few of these shrubs out here using this Ryobi. It's a 22-inch hedge trimmer. It's pretty good. Let's see how it does. Alright, I'm about 12 bushes in. I'm going to check the battery. And I don't know if you can even see it, but it's at 3 out of 4. So these new Amazon batteries I bought really do the job. Let's get back to it. All of these bushes were planted in 1977, so they've been here for a long time. And man, everything around this place really grows. It grows up strong. So a lot of the times you just about have to scalp these bushes, and in 2 weeks they're grown back and they're out of control again. As you can see, I'm scalping these a little bit because they've just grown so big just since last year. All right, yeah, some of these are, you know, they're so thick inside because they're so old that when you get a little bit off, it'll scalp them. Sometimes you just gotta scalp them. So, but it's gonna look a lot better. That's after, and this is what I've got back here. Things are just growing like crazy. A little bit here. These 3 bushes here, I'll share some pictures or video if I've got it. But we had to come in here with chainsaws last year. These things, they've gotten up to the 2nd floor windows. So I'll lightly trim these back. This battery's down to 1 charge on it now, so I don't want to run it all the way down, so I'm gonna go get a new one. It's real important to keep this type of stuff away from your air conditioner so it has room to breathe. I'm not sure what this tree is here. It's not really a tree. This is a shrub. 45, 50-year-old shrub. 48 years old. It was planted in 77. It's got to be a world record. I wanted to cut it down because Mom wanted to keep it. So let me just trim it. that's about all I'm gonna do today. Ryobi Hedge trimmer, 22-inch. I'm on my second Amazon battery, and it's down to 2. So I used 3 dots on the other one and about half of this one to do, I don't know, 20, 25 bushes. That's all I'm gonna do. We'll come back and pick all of this stuff up later. But anyway, take care.